This is Claire M. Corcoran reporting for Rete, Informazione, Europea in London, England. Following a weekend where the great British public decided to snatch some freedom amidst the lockdown by flocking to beaches around the south coast and queuing for pancakes in Hampstead, North London, the police have decided to toughen up by issuing fines of £100 if people are caught loitering, drinking coffee instead of going straight home, and the fines would rise to £200 and further afterwards. Additional enforcement measures have been promised or threatened by central government should COVID data statistics not start to fall, and these include curfews and mandatory mask wearing outside. Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty has stated that in parts of London, as many as 1 in 20 people have the virus. He is referring specifically to Barking and Dagenham, where 1,627 people per 100,000 are stated to have the virus. On Friday, the 8th of January, Mayor Sadiq Khan declared a state of emergency in London with COVID cases threatening to overwhelm hospitals. However, the only sirens locally that can be heard are police sirens. On vaccines, 3 have now been approved: the Pfizer, the Oxford and the Moderna vaccine. NHS and healthcare staff report warily that vaccines are now being offered to them, with some fearful of not taking the vaccine, otherwise they may lose their jobs. Not that that has been specifically stated, but there is a huge push for frontline healthcare staff to take them. Former Prime Minister Tony Blair weighed in to the COVID situation last week and has, according to various sources, been advising Conservative government on the COVID programme. The Sunday Times wrote yesterday that he regards this work as redemptive after his Iraq War loss of favour. Last week he appeared on Breakfast TV and saying that he would definitely take the vaccine, warning that there would be restrictions on those who didn't, certainly in terms of travel in the near future, somewhat ominously. To date, there have been 2.7 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the UK, with 75,000 deaths. If we were to compare this with flu, I found some data from August 2020 that gave 1,040 deaths from flu compared to 101 from COVID-19. Finally, a correction from my previous report, which came from the streets from West Dulwich Station. West Dulwich Station is in south east London as opposed to south west London.